If you end up not getting monetized before the end of this year, it's actually your fault. Guess why I said so? You have just stumbled upon this beautiful thumbnail, get monetized before Christmas, and you decided to, click on it. And after clicking on it, you decide to watch 1 second or 1 minute of this video without watching it to the end. Then sincerely, you're not ready to monetize your channel before end of this year. But if you're willing to listen carefully to the end of this video and you're willing to put everything I'm going to say here into practice, then you are definitely getting monetized by the end of this year. Okay, let's just dive straight into the it's going to be massive, guys. It's Christmas. Wouldn't you be happy if you get notification from YouTube that you have been monetized or you've been welcomed into the YouTube partnership program? It's going to be amazing, right? So without further ado, let us jump right into the topic of today, which is get monetized before Christmas. In this video, I'm going to be giving you simple tips that is going to help your channel get monetized before the end of this year, before Christmas. I'm not talking about Christmas next year, I'm talking about Christmas this year, Christmas 2024. So the first on our list is dedication. You have to be really dedicated to your channel. These are not the times that you come onto YouTube and you just watch other people's video. You are just keep consuming and consuming more information without putting out. Don't you think it's time for you to actually do what? Put out that information, put out that video. Yeah, give your channel that dedication it requires. When you're dedicated to your channel, if you've decided to upload every 2 to 3 days, do that frequently. All right, do that frequently. This is going to take us to the next on our list, which is frequency. The frequency in which you post is going to help the YouTube algorithm understand that your channel posts on this so day, on this so time, on this so period. And when that time reach, maybe let me say every Thursday by 6 p.m. Every Thursday by 6 p.m. YouTube will be waiting for your video. And when you upload your video, they're definitely going to be showing your video to your potential viewers. Frequency and consistency, they go hand in hand. When you are frequent, coming to YouTube every other day or even every day, then it leads to consistency, because you can't come to YouTube and look at your channel, you see your channel is not doing well, you are going to be pushed, you're going to be motivated. Even if you're not motivated, I am going to motivate you today. YouTube pays, and it is going to change your life if you give it your all. If you give it your all, start treating YouTube as a business. Gone are those days where people come and say, YouTube, I take YouTube as a hobby, a part-time thing, I just come and play around and go. No, YouTube is not a playground. YouTube is where people that want to make it big are actually in. Start making YouTube a serious business and see your channel change for good, and see your channel getting monetized before the end of this year. Okay, so the third on our list is choose the right niche. Okay, I'm not saying in this video, I'm not saying that you should do what? Niche down. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that you should choose a niche that you're comfortable with. Don't go into niche that that because people, the CPM and RPM of this niche is massive, is big, so thereby I have to start creating content around that niche. No, you don't need that. Create content that you are actually comfortable with. If it's in the lifestyle and vlog or blog, make sure that you are comfortable with it. Even when you are down, even when there are no options, there are no content ideas for you to put out, you can come up with something as fast as possible. Even if it's on the short feed, you are definitely going to turn up for your channel every other day, okay, or every day. The fifth on our list is getting monetized but not monetized. Yeah, you want to get monetized before the end of this year, I understand, but do you know that without YouTube you can still be monetized? Yeah, by selling products, by selling affiliate products. Yeah, you can be a partner with most of these these companies you use, these day-to-day companies you use their products. You can sign into their affiliate program, then you can become rich off of those products that you are using. If you are this type of person that you are always investing in good microphones, good gadgets, good phones, just register on their affiliate program and become monetized from those products. Each person buying from that website or that brand with your link, you're having a percentage. So what is going to stop you from making money, being monetized, but yet not monetized. You get what I mean? So apart from affiliate marketing, you can also make money through sponsored content and many more. All right, so the last on our list is put God first. You have to have enough faith that this your channel is going to get monetized before the end of this year, before Christmas. And if you have that faith, definitely everything is going to work out well for you. Learn to pray for your channel. Okay, put your channel in the hands of God. If I don't know, if you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, you don't go to church, whatever you worship, make sure you're calling upon that your God to help your channel. Make sure you're calling upon that thing you believe in to help your channel. Make sacrifices for your channel. When I say sacrifice, I didn't say you should start doing extreme things. No, I mean you can, even seed of faith. All right, even seed of faith, you can, give seed of faith, help the needy, and use that as a point of contact and say, God, I want you to come into this channel, make this channel to be for the better. Lay your healing hands, because if your channel is not having views, it's actually sick. So Lord, lay your healing hands on this channel and let this channel be free and let this channel go viral. I'm going spiritual. All right, don't mind me. So that is it. Just have faith that this is going to work for you. I'm rooting for you. Okay, so without further ado, I'll be leaving you on this juncture. If you watched up to this time and you've not liked, you've not subscribed, you've not turned on the post notification, I don't know what I did to you. Please, thank you. So see you on the next. I love you.